Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to back up a chart on WhatsApp. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To back up a chart on WhatsApp on Android, you can follow these steps. Firstly, open WhatsApp on your Android device. Go to the chart you want to back up. Tap on the three vertical dots in the top right corner to open the menu. Select More and then choose Export Chart. You'll be prompted to include or exclude media files. Choose your preference. Select the destination for the chart export, such as a messaging app or email. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the export. This process allows you to save the chart as a text file along with any included media, providing a backup of your conversation. Keep in mind that this method exports the chart as a separate file, and it's different from the regular WhatsApp backup that includes charts, media, and settings, which is usually done through WhatsApp's built-in backup settings. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.